Hi everyone, welcome to Trackunit's latest product spotlight. I'm Laura Naumova, Product Marketing Manager here at Trackunit, and today I'm joined by Peter Warmuz, Director of IoT Products. Peter, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Cool. So today we are here to talk about Trackunit's biggest product introduction of 2024, our next-gen IoT telematics device, the TU700. The TU700 offers so much more than just telematics connectivity. About 2 years ago when we started developing this device, what were the reasons we ultimately decided to make this investment?
Yeah, for sure. So what we really want to do is focus on connectivity, but not connectivity just for today, connectivity for the future to make sure we unlock that full potential of all the equipment out there. For that to happen, we had to focus on longevity as well as capabilities. So what we have done, we've launched a product that has a higher performance as well as has higher features and capabilities, such as 10 times more processing power, and we're introducing smart services that can be actually applications installed on the product itself that will allow OEM and rentals to take advantage of the power that we have.
You mentioned edge computing. Tell us a little bit more about these capabilities.
Yeah, so with that, I'd like to start the story here on deep machine insights. And deep machine insights can only be done by getting more information from a telematics device. The TU700 comes with 2 CAN ports as well as the ability to connect to a Modbus device. With that, we have the ability to unlock and connect to machines like specialty equipment. So earlier I mentioned about performance. So now with performance, now with the ability to connect even more and deeper into these machines, we can start doing cooler things. Things like on-the-edge trending, on-the-edge computing, and unlock opportunities for things like over-the-air programming or remote commands and settings and parameters.
What is different about network coverage with the TU700?
So we continue to expand and want to achieve 100% coverage rate when possible. We have great global roaming agreements in play right now, and TU700 comes with Wi-Fi readiness. This means in the areas where you cannot get coverage, we can use Wi-Fi as a backup. Last but not least, we're continuing to invest into our ecosystem. TU700 comes with long-range Bluetooth technologies, where we hope to leverage those technologies and continue to support our Bluetooth ecosystem.
The TU700 also offers opportunities for protecting operators and safety. Tell us a bit more about this.
Yeah, absolutely, more than happy to. TU700 does launch with a new keypad, and the new keypad comes in a new family called Pass, and the new product within that family is the K300. K300 surpasses the dual ID keypad that we have out there today, and it comes to us with a tactile feel, so the user experience is going to be that much better. There are 3 different ways to interact with the K300, and the best and easiest way to remember is through the 3 T's. The first T is type. Come up to that keypad, type in your PIN code, and the machine will get unlocked. The second T is tap. Using a card that's assigned, you can come up to it and unlock the machine. We have updated the security and added new features and capabilities that we can service the latest and greatest cards that are out there in the industry. And third T is transmit, and that's something in the future that we'll be able to explore even more as the K300 comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on board.
Type, tap, transmit. The TU700 comes with a very significant roadmap that will unlock even more value for our customers. Tell us what is coming up next.
Absolutely, and there's lots. So I'm going to summarize this into 3 categories. First, two-way communication. In this area, we're focusing on remote connectivity to the machine to be able to set parameters or maybe even enable the machine to perform a particular action. So that's the first category. In the second category, we're focusing on ease of installing the telematics device. With the performance and the Bluetooth technology that we have on board, we're coming up with new ways, diagnostic ways, to be able for the installer and end user to understand how that machine is working with the telematics device. Last but not least is device management and fleet health. Here we're launching a new editor that will allow the user to create profiles for the telematics device of what data they should or should not be collecting. Also with that, we're launching new tool sets that will allow more visibility into the fleet health. How is the fleet performing? How is the telematics performing? How is the machines performing? And able to create and make actions on that. Last but not least, we're also coming up with new operating modes. Operating modes are kind of like profile modes, where we'll be able to configure the telematics device for a particular environment use case. Example could be a radio free zone or a transport mode where we want to make sure we focus on power savings.
Peter, if you had to summarize the TU700 in one sentence, what would you say?
That is a very, very difficult question. I would say TU700 and the services it provides with deeper machine insights brings you that much step closer to the machine, as well as the ability to interact with that machine.
Great. If you'd like more information on the TU700, reach out to your Trackunit account manager or visit the website.